Medical Destiny uploads educational and informational videos related to health and medical topics. If you would like to get such kinds of videos, kindly subscribe our channel.
Breastfeeding is the best way to nourish your baby, but there can be problems along the way. A common problem encountered by lactating mothers is low milk supply. While low milk supply is not a disease or disorder, it may affect the baby's long-term health. There are several alternative remedies that you may consider to tackle the issue. For instance, there are foods that increase breast milk supply and benefit the mother's health. Read on to know about the lactogenic foods that may boost milk supply when consumed as a part of a well-balanced diet. These food items may improve breast milk supply, boost maternal health, and enhance milk composition. You may speak to a lactation expert who can help you choose the right foods to increase breast milk as well as recommend various other measures to improve milk supply. 1. Oatmeal. Oats is a whole grain food with a wide nutritional profile. It can be a healthy, sumptuous meal or breakfast for the nursing mother. Besides, it may up the breast milk supply by increasing the oxytocin hormone levels. You can use oatmeal to prepare various food items, such as cookies, cake, bread, and porridge. 2. Barley. Barley is a nutrient and fiber-rich grain that can enhance your breastfeeding diet's nutritional value. Also, it may promote breast milk supply by increasing serum prolactin levels. You can add the least processed hulled barley to recipes, such as soups, stews, curries, and porridge. Using barley flour for preparing barley biscuits, crackers, or pancakes is another way to add barley to your nursing diet. 3. Apricots. Apricots belong to the almond family and offer several nutrients and health-promoting bioactive compounds. It is also believed to increase prolactin hormone levels to boost breast milk supply. You can add fresh or dried apricot to porridge, cereal, and dessert to reap its benefits. Avoid using canned apricot with syrup as it is high in sugar. 4. Carrots. Carrot is a fiber-rich root vegetable that can add color and vital nutrients to your nursing diet. You can eat a raw carrot with peel in salads and sandwiches or cook it with other foods. Regular consumption of carrot will provide nutrients and may also up your breast milk supply. Phytoestrogens present in carrots may be responsible for carrots' lactogenic effects. 5. Fenugreek. Fenugreek leaves and seeds are commonly consumed as lactogenic food in several cultures. The plant may improve milk supply and has several medicinal and nutraceutical properties that could benefit health over time. You can add fenugreek to soups, stews, and curries. 6. Garlic. Garlic is popular for its therapeutic and medicinal properties. In some cultures, garlic is commonly used for its purported galactagogue effects. You can add garlic to your diet to add flavor and attain its health benefits. However, it may alter the flavor of breast milk and may trigger colic in babies. Therefore, stay alert to any changes in your baby's feeding pattern and behavior after you consume garlic. 7. Almonds. Sweet almonds may promote breast milk production due to its potential estrogenic activity. You can eat a handful of almonds during midday, add them to food as almond flour or almond butter, or drink almond milk. Almonds offer vital nutrients, such as protein, calcium, and healthy fats. 8. Fennel. The consumption of fennel during lactation is prevalent for its purported lactogenic effects. The herb contains phytoestrogens that may increase milk supply. Also, research highlights its health benefits, such as enhanced digestion. You can drink fennel water, fennel tea, or add fennel powder in soups, stews, curries, and porridge. 9. Cumin seed. Lactating mothers often consume cumin seeds since it may improve breast milk production. You can consume cumin water or use it as a condiment to a variety of preparations. 10. Green leafy vegetables. Green leafy vegetables are an excellent source of micronutrients, dietary fiber, and bioactive compounds that could improve postpartum recovery and maternal nutrition. Besides, they contain phytoestrogens that may enhance breast milk supply. You can add several green leafy vegetables, such as spinach, kale, and collards, to your diet and enjoy their benefits. 11. Bitter gourd. Although bitter, the health benefits and medicinal properties of bitter gourd are unparalleled. Anecdotal evidence suggests that bitter gourd may even increase breast milk supply. You can consume bitter gourd curry and baked chips to attain its benefits. 12. Salmon. Salmon is a low-mercury fish rich in high-quality protein, vitamin D, B12, and omega-3 fatty acid nutrients that benefit the mother and the baby. Research suggests that regular consumption of salmon may improve breast milk supply and enhance milk composition. 13. Pumpkin seeds. Anecdotal evidence suggests that pumpkin seeds may boost milk production. They are also rich in protein, iron, fiber, and health-promoting bioactive compounds. You may consume a teaspoon of pumpkin seeds as a part of the trail mix or chop it and add it to salads, soups, and porridges. Pumpkin seeds powder is another product that you can add to your diet in various ways. 14. Sesame seeds. Sesame seeds are rich in protein, calcium, fiber, and several other vital nutrients. Its phytochemicals, such as quercetin and sesamin, could promote prolactin secretion and improve breast milk supply. You can eat a teaspoon of sesame seeds with lukewarm water or add it to recipes, such as salads, bread, pasta, sandwich, and homemade snacks. 15. Chickpea. Chickpea is rich in high-quality protein, micronutrients, and bioactive compounds. The phytoestrogens present in it are considered to provide lactogenic benefits. You can add chickpea to preparations, such as curries and soups, and dips, such as hummus.
Thanks for watching. If you like this video and you would like to watch similar videos in future, please subscribe our channel and tap the bell icon. Thanks for watching. If you like this video and you would like to watch similar videos in future, please subscribe our channel and tap the bell icon.